whole YouTubers who have a 42-inch Hunter low profile ceiling fan. Been display for a month. I'm gonna record it because when I put this swing display like a test and waste my time. So if I know it's gonna display, but swing display. So here's the video. Not the best one, not the best single. After I can play for it, I cannot put my lights under it. There's such a big pile of shit under it. I'm not gonna get a close up because this may go on here to pull potential out so difficult. So let me turn the light so you get this thing walk back and forth a lot. Cause I can't just God. I smacked some over. So if you like it. Alright, it's enough. Wait more. Shit phone. Sorry guys. Shit won't be difficult on here. Roll y'all, but you will say which I no enjoy kick course, but on the way can take a seat back then I get all my life to be even around the room. So not how I got to do this. Also I don't see bad like I said. Fan doesn't get used much because one, it's about pile shit, and I don't tell my spray up much. Sometimes I do, so it's gotten used a couple times, but not often. And it's only been used on both. So time tell me how for testing, or like a boy, I fuck with it. But yeah. As well. So, into a shelf, and the wallpaper fits there. So it's in here. Try to get more YouTubers done, cause I get paid off for YouTube. I'm not gonna talk much about that. But me, don't make videos, you don't get paid for it all. YouTube keeps taking my money, I don't know why, so I'll get paid over down and they take it out back. Explain to my YouTube. Oh my goodness. My lights back here. Back should be sorry guys. Should I do something? Don't blow much here. It definitely blows here, but not as much as supposed to. Cause it's against the wall and the pile of shit. So I don't have much further to go. But it most definitely was there. Point one, I can get it, I'll get the spray. Cause there's so many fans that I want to eat. Found the room full, I got fans in the spot, so. Ah, you whore. Let's go high. Kind of difficult with the portrait. Wiles. If I could fix it, but I don't fake way too long. How does it work effect this way? This blinding it? Hell no. Just one more survey on the program. It's hard to write. But I'll be a little short and less to talk. If I can mess with this. Turn the light out. Let's stop. So I sit down and put the phone down. The door's all the way back. Okay, is it good? The Four Seasons on like old moist, but looks so nice. I go on longer than the Four Seasons. Sorry guys, I get bored of sit, stop, so perfect frame by me. But won't let the spin down because it's way far from it. Looks like it doesn't split down at all. But we're good on well, oh, bush. Bush is right here, thankfully. That's the right. Ow. Piece of shit. I tried best to zero high. I'm not even gonna try the starts down. I don't even know if it has one. I'm not even gonna try to do it. Just there's so much shit under it. I don't feel like doing it. There's what? Ah, you fuck. I'm barefoot. I can't feel my foot. Which. You hear me on big boss. We'll go high speed with it. Here goes a fucking globe again. Being a fuck. So just stop us I can. Try to do this from my way. Try to get just We should have got the way really fast. And it's just starter. As far as your chain untangle itself. Alright. That's it for this fucking video. Like, share, subscribe, and peace out.